it's just leaking out the side. There's the water.
That would be annoying. That would be something if somebody's flying and you hover over top and drop water on it.
Yeah.
The old copters don't mind wind.
Not so much. I think as long as the rotor can keep up with it, the tail rotor.
Yeah. So you're not doing much on the controls, huh?
No, it's more like a drone than a helicopter.
Oh, okay.
It looks like a helicopter, but it flies like a drone, and I can take it off drone mode and have it fly like a 3D helicopter, but...
Oh, you can't do like...
No. Fred can do that stuff. I can't do that.
Okay, I'm taking off.
All right.